Hello everyone, welcome to Jonathan Aviation YouTube channel. It has been a while since I made a video of my GeminiJets model. Today I just want to share with you my GeminiJet 1/400 scale model, and I even make a terminal for it, a make-believe terminal. And this terminal doesn't represent any airport terminal that exists, but just for my model only. So I have 4 level on this main terminal, and then I have this extended side of the wing, and my terminal can house about 15 aircraft. Since this is a make-believe terminal, this is such a large terminal, and the terminal consists of food court, duty-free shop, and all the luxury thing you can have, because it has 3 level on each of the wing and 4 level on the main section. And just to let you know that this is just a terminal alone. I haven't included the check-in baggage or check-in counter side of the terminal yet, but will be added in the future. So this is the back side of the terminal, and as of right now, this back side has 9 parking for the aircraft, and then the front side will have 3 on the other side of the wing, and then 1 on the tip of the wing. So should have a total of 15 parking space. And this is the Thai Airways Airbus A380. This is arriving from Bangkok, Thailand to my make-believe airport. This is a 1/400 GeminiJet 1/400 scale, one of the rare model. I first started to collect the 1/200, but then it's just too large to store in my room, so I switched to the smaller scale, which is the 1/400, and it just makes it so perfect that I'm able to create a terminal for it too. And then next, after Thai Airways, parking beside it is the Lufthansa Airbus A380, and this is about to depart to Frankfurt, Germany. And this is the new livery of the Lufthansa. Next, after parking beside Lufthansa, I have Qantas Airbus A380, and this is arrived from Sydney, Australia. Qantas Spirit of Australia Airbus A380. So it's a beautiful bird. I currently have 8 1/400 scale model in my collection of right now, but parking here at the terminal is only 7. So I made my parking space all can park the Airbus A380, so smaller plane can park it also. But it is why all my parking spots are all wide enough for all Airbus A380. And I'm planning to collect all Airbus A380 from all the airlines that acquired. So I'm looking to purchase those models soon. So next, we have Emirates, Airbus A380 also with the new livery. Looking from the back, just like we driving behind the airplane. So this Emirates A380 right here is ready for departure. So it will take off from this airport and headed to Dubai. There's the letter Emirates, both in English and in Arabic. Just want to mention that Emirates airline is my favorite airline, and with my 200 scale model, I have a total of 10 aircraft. I have Boeing 777 and Airbus A380 and the Boeing 777X and also the Boeing Dreamliner also. So next after Emirates, we got the Asiana airline, and this one right here is ready for pushback. So it will depart to Seoul to Incheon International Airport in South Korea. I like the color of the tail. Next, parking beside the Emirates Airbus A380, we have the British Airways Airbus A380 also. This is arrived from London Heathrow Airport. And park just right to the left of British Airways. We have the Korean Air Airbus 8380 also. And of course, this one right here will be departing to Seoul, South Korea, the Incheon International Airport. Follow the Asiana airline. So in my mini airport here, the Korean Air and Asiana airline both came from Seoul, South Korea, Incheon International Airport, and they arrive within 5 minutes of each other, and they will depart to their origin, which is Seoul, 5 minutes after each other also. So we got the Thai, Lufthansa, Qantas, Asiana, Emirates, British Airways, and also, last but not least, Korean Air. If you notice, I have these Airbus here, the Korean Air, the British Airways, Emirates, Asiana, Qantas, and Lufthansa. These are the regular Airbus A380 that arrive in Los Angeles LAX International Airport daily. So I have been doing plane spotting at LAX. So I have observed that Korean Air, British Airways, Emirates, Asiana, Qantas Airline, and Lufthansa are all arrive in LAX daily. And one time I was at the airport, it was unexpected. I was just filming, and then all of a sudden I turned around. I saw this plane approaching, and then I checked the Flight 24 radar, and it was the Lufthansa, and that was really make my day because I have been waiting to film this Lufthansa for quite some time. And also the British Airways. For so many months that I've been plane spotting at LAX, I've been seeing the 777, but I haven't seen the Airbus A380. And a few weeks ago, when I went to the LAX, I spotted the Airbus A380 from London. So I was happy for that. And if you like this video and would like to see more update from this miniature airport or terminal, please hit that subscribe button, and you will get a notification whenever I post a new video. All plane lineup. I haven't made the bridge, jetway bridge for this airplane yet, but we'll be making them soon. But today I just want to introduce to you my 1-400 plane collection, and also my miniature terminal. So beautiful it is. Look at the color. I mean, look at the tail of the aircraft. And looking like this is just like you standing at the airport. Like I said, now we currently have 9 parking spot, and in the tip right there, I will have another spot, and then on the other side over there we'll have 3 more, and then 3 more on the other side of the terminal also, and then at the tip. So that we'll have a total of 15 parking spot for the aircraft. And then on the corner there I will have maybe a parking spot for some more aircraft that will be added to my collection. Once again, thank you for watching my video, and like I said, if you found this video enjoyable and want to see more from my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And just above my mini airport, I got this large scale collection of the Boeing 747. These are equipped with LED light and activated by sound. Just clap your hand and it will lit up. And then on the other side over there, I have the Airbus A380 also, and the Malaysian airline, both in 1/200 scale and 1/160 scale. So the Airbus A380 over here, the largest scale model, 1160, and the Boeing 747 1150 scale. All right, thank you everyone, and thank you for watching, and we will see you again in our next video. Okay, bye bye.